Did you hear? There's a big anniversary at Leonardo, and I think you're going to want to see what they did for their Cinquantesimo. Let's go ahead and unbox the Leonardo Cinquantesimo 50th anniversary fountain pen. They have a custom sleeve that goes with the pen, designating it as the 50th, and also a custom insert here that gives you a lot of information about the exciting celebratory pen release. I like how classy and classic, clean and simple the Leonardo packaging is. It also comes with a full-size bottle of Leonardo Officina Italiana ink, so if you have missed having access to those inks, you can look forward to getting a full bottle with your Cinquantesimo fountain pen. The pen also comes already inside of this handy drawstring pouch that is easily reusable. Let's take a look. The color name for this pen is Rediscovered, a beautiful celluloid yellow with black veins, and I really like how vivid the yellow is on this pen. I'm going to get you a better up-close look at it because this celluloid material is really, really beautiful. The Rediscovered color is paired with ruthenium trim, and the 50th anniversary pen releases are piston fillers. Another highlight of this pen is the center ring. I really like the detailed engraving they featured in the center ring. They also have a spring clip here, and it's pretty springy. The Rediscovered celluloid fountain pen was designed to embody Italy's vibrant sun and the varied nature of life's many paths. The Cinquantesimo fountain pens are fitted with a number 6 La Fenice 14-karat gold nib plated to match the trim. And you can get that in a number of different nib sizes. The cap is threaded, and once you remove it, you can see another decorative ring here that has your essential information on it. It designates it as the 50th anniversary pen and gives you your limited edition number. And the Rediscovered with ruthenium trim is limited to 50 pieces. The piston filling mechanism is activated by the knob at the back end of the barrel, and it has a capacity of 1.5 milliliters. These celluloid fountain pens were released to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Leonardo Officina Italiana and the Madrona family's passion for fine writing instruments. And I think it was a worthy project. The family has been sharing their talents with the pen industry since 1974. You might also prefer the second option we have here, the Federico, with a beautiful celluloid honoring half a century of excellence with a black celluloid body paired with amber and blue inserts that reflect the timeless elegance of the night sky. And it's paired with rose gold trim. And the Federico with rose gold trim is also limited to 50 pieces. And you can see here that the number 6 La Fenice 14-karat gold nib is plated in rose gold to match the trim of the Federico pen. I hope you enjoyed getting a really good look at these two Cinquantesimo 50th anniversary celluloid fountain pens that just dropped from Leonardo Officina Italiana. And join with us in wishing them 50 more wonderful years in the industry in the comments. Shop at pinchlet.com.